वेलकम टू माय चैनल डांस जॉय पैशन एम्बिशन। मैं मीनाक्षी, आप सबका स्वागत है। आप सब मेरा वीडियो ध्यान से देख रहे हैं। आज मैंने एक नई चीज़ करने की कोशिश की है, क्योंकि ये जो मई, जून और जुलाई का मंथ होता है वो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बहुत स्ट्रेसफुल रहता है। इसमें एंजाइटी, डिप्रेशन और कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स के बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर होते हैं। तो उससे ओवरकम करने के लिए कुछ बोनस टिप्स हैं और कुछ जीके रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस हैं जो कि कॉमन हैं। डांस वाले स्टूडेंट्स भी उसको चाहे तो पढ़ सकते हैं, सुन सकते हैं, और इसके साथ ही साथ एकेडमिक कोर्स करने वाले स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी बहुत यूज़फुल है। इस वीडियो में सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ ये है कि आज मेरी फ्रेंड चित्रा रॉय, ये मैम साइंस मैथ्स की जीनियस है और चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी पे इनके कंटेंट्स अवेलेबल हैं। पहले ये डालिम सनबिम स्कूल में टीचर थी, अभी एट प्रेजेंट ये कोलकाता शिफ्ट हो गई हैं। मैंने उनसे एक बार रिक्वेस्ट किया कि प्लीज़ मैम स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कुछ ऐसा वीडियो बना के दे दीजिए जिससे कि उनको इन प्रेशर से ओवरकम होने में हेल्प मिले। उन्होंने तुरंत मेरी बात मानी और ये वीडियो 2 पार्ट में उन्होंने दिया। आप पहले एक पार्ट को देखिए, कैसे आप स्ट्रेस से बाहर आ सकते हैं। उसके बाद कुछ जीके के क्वेश्चंस हैं और उसके बाद उसका सेकंड पार्ट है। आपको इसमें गुरुकुल पद्धति से रिलेटेड एक छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन, इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ देखने को मिलेगा। और भरतनाट्यम के स्टूडेंट्स जानते हैं कि कला क्षेत्र में पहले गुरुकुल पद्धति से डांस की शिक्षा होती थी। अभी भी वहाँ पे गुरुकुल पद्धति के कुछ नियम को फॉलो किया जाता है। साउथ में हैदराबाद में भी कुछ ऐसे कॉलेजेस और स्कूल हैं जहाँ पर कि गुरुकुल पद्धति से पढ़ाई होती है। तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा लंबा ना करते हुए इसको आप ध्यान से देखिए कि आप कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए कैसे अपनी एंजाइटी को दूर करें, कैसे प्रिपरेशन करें। उसके लिए चित्रा मैम हमारे साथ अभी जुड़ जाएंगे और उनके वीडियो को मैं शेयर करने जा रही हूँ। आप इसको एंड तक पूरा देखिएगा क्योंकि इसका एक एक पार्ट बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है और साइंस और जीके रिलेटेड इसमें कुछ बोनस टिप्स हैं। तो उसको आप देखते रहिए और कमेंट सेक्शन में जाके बताइए कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा। और बेस्ट विशेस सबके लिए है। मैं आगे इसमें कुछ नहीं ऐड करूँगी क्योंकि उन्होंने जो कुछ बताया है जब तक आप वो उसे देखेंगे नहीं समझ पाएंगे। तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को देखिए, मेरे चैनल को लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करिए। फिर मैं आगे की वीडियो में कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें ऐड करूँगी। आज के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी है। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, हैव अ नाइस डे।
Hello students, today I will tell you how to prepare in your examination. So it is very important and very valuable. So let us know why sometimes it happens we are preparing but not scoring as per our desire. So first of all we should know that how we can prepare so that we can get or score as per our desire. There are 2 words that you have heard before. Do you know what? Yes, these are renewable and non-renewable sources. Now at this moment, what is the most important thing or the most important non-renewable source? Yes, you are right. It is time. Don't forget. Time is flowing. Don't waste your time. So what you should do? First, you can understand that action speaks louder than voice. So first of all, you set a goal as per your desire, how much you need to score. Secondly, set your mind how to prepare to get your desired score. Right? Then you need to motivate yourself all the time. Plan yourself, work accordingly and motivate yourself. The last point is be determined, focused whatever it is given in the syllabus, prepare all the topics. Now suppose you have understood few topics, so whatever you have understood, learn it repeatedly, practice it repeatedly. If we talk about maths and science, yes, you need to learn again and again that you have understood. And suppose you have not understood the topics, you can take help of your teacher and clear your doubt. It is very much important, and learn again and again. And you know that expectations hurt, so don't expect more. What you are preparing, how you are preparing matters a lot. So prepare and expect that much you have prepared. And you know, success is not accident. It is your effort, sacrifices you are doing, working hard, practicing again and again, and then the most important, love your work, take interest, and please don't waste your time. It is important to take help of your teachers, work hard, practice your previous year's questions so that you can understand how much you have prepared, right? Then analyze yourself. Better you can learn whole day, and then in the evening you can just analyze yourself how much you have done and how much you need to do more. Then very easily you can get success or the desired scores. So be happy, be motivated, plan your day and work accordingly. All the best to all of you. Dear students, daily workout is very important. Keeps our body healthy and flexible. Have a nice day. Hello students. See, strong determination and tireless effort can do anything. Today I am going to tell you one story. In ancient India, students were sent to Gurukuls. I hope you know what is a Gurukul. That time, Gurukul was a place where students used to stay over there and learn. They used to work hard to do the work like cooking food, watering plants, cleaning the Gurukul and all. So, once upon a time, there was a Gurukul and a boy was sent to Gurukul to get the education. There were almost 100 students over there. But the boy was trying a lot to learn. Although he would do all his work like watering the plants and etc., he was very intelligent on his work but couldn't get the learning part. So what happened? After the year end, all his classmates promoted to next class, new class, but he couldn't. Then his master tried a lot to teach him in different ways, but he couldn't get that. what the master told. Now, I hope, or perhaps, study is not in your destiny, so you can go back home and help your family members in doing household work. In hard-hearted, he started going to his home. It was 22 miles away from Gurukul. It was summer sunny day. It was very hot. Very slowly he was walking. He felt thirsty. So he found that few women were taking water from a well. He reached to the well and asked for water. So suddenly he saw few marks on the stone of the well. He thought, what is this? Then he asked the woman standing over there, why you have made this mark? She told, I didn't. By repeated use of the rope, it was appeared. So he then understood, if this mark can be appeared due to this rope only, that is very soft and stone is very hard and strong, why can't I do this? Why can't I learn? He returned to Gurukul and told his master, yes, I can do. So very strong and hard work, he started learning all the things, practiced a lot. After few years, he was a person known as Acharya. He wrote many Sanskrit books. The grammar book was worked a lot. After many years, it was unmatched. So you can see, strong determination make a person popular, make a person to get success easily. So dear students, you also can get success if you are determined. My wish is to just go ahead. Don't sit at a place. Don't waste your time. With strong determination, if you are putting effort, you will get success. No one can stop you. So all the best, move forward and get success.
Everything's gonna be alright. Don't let it ruin